We all hate mosquitoes, right? Those annoying little vampires that buzz around your ear at 3 a.m. and leave you looking like you have chicken pox. But here's the crazy part. What if I told you that wiping them off the planet would literally break nature? I'm not kidding, the consequences would be absolutely insane. Number one, every single bat in your neighborhood would basically starve to death. Picture this. Bats can eat up to 1,000 mosquitoes per hour. No joke. That's like their McDonald's drive-thru every single night. A study from the University of Wisconsin found that without mosquitoes, entire bat colonies would collapse within months. And here's the kicker. Without bats, you'd be drowning in other bugs. We're talking about moths, beetles, and flies taking over your backyard, like some kind of insect apocalypse. Your summer barbecues would become a nightmare. Number two, birds would literally fall out of the sky from hunger. I swear purple martins and swallows depend on mosquitoes so much that scientists call them mosquito specialists. These birds can catch over 2,000 mosquitoes in just 6 hours. But if mosquitoes disappeared tomorrow, millions of birds would have to find new food sources or, well, let's just say birdwatching would become a lot more depressing. And fish? Oh man, fish larvae absolutely love munching on mosquito eggs and babies. Without this protein-packed snack, entire freshwater ecosystems would crash harder than your phone when it hits concrete. Number three, some plants would literally go extinct. Believe it or not, mosquitoes aren't just blood-sucking monsters. Male mosquitoes are actually pollinators. They sip nectar from flowers like tiny, annoying hummingbirds. Certain orchids in the Arctic completely depend on mosquitoes for reproduction. No mosquitoes equals no baby orchids, which means these beautiful flowers would vanish forever. It's like removing one domino and watching the entire ecosystem tumble down. Number four, your local pond would turn into a disgusting, smelly swamp. Here's something that'll blow your mind. Mosquito larvae are basically nature's cleanup crew. They eat dead leaves, bacteria, and all the gross stuff floating in water. A research team from Harvard discovered that mosquito larvae process tons of organic waste every single day. Without them, ponds and wetlands would become toxic cesspools filled with rotting material. You'd need a gas mask just to walk by a lake. Number five, other insects would explode in population and make your life a living hell. Think mosquitoes are annoying? Wait until you meet their replacements. Without mosquitoes competing for breeding spots and food, flies, gnats, and midges would multiply like crazy. We're talking about swarms so thick you couldn't see through them. Plus, many of these replacement bugs carry diseases too, so you'd trade malaria for something potentially even worse. It's like getting rid of one villain just to make room for 10 more. Number six, the economic impact would be absolutely mind-blowing. Sure, we'd save billions on mosquito control and disease treatment, but the environmental restoration costs would be astronomical. Scientists estimate it would cost over $500 billion just to artificially pollinate plants and control the insect population explosion. That's more expensive than sending humans to Mars. Your tax money would go from fixing potholes to literally rebuilding nature from scratch. So yeah, as much as we all want to grab a giant fly swatter and eliminate every mosquito on Earth, these little bloodsuckers are actually holding the entire food chain together. Nature is weird like that. Even the most annoying creatures have a purpose that keeps everything balanced. If you want more mind-blowing videos like this, subscribe right now.